You're curled up on the couch watching reality TV, negotiating with yourself about remodeling your kitchen, maybe the bathroom. They make it look so easy, and it happens in an hour with commercial breaks. This is Mary Jo with a few tips. Before you call that contractor, ask yourself a couple of questions. Number one, will you be satisfied with your home when this one project is done? No one is. The rest of your home will look dull, and you might get caught up in the slippery slope of ever-expanding ideas. Number two, how much does it cost? Well, you could start at A and wind up at C in a heartbeat. One client told me she went $180,000 over budget. Recently, I spoke to a contractor about remodeling a small Minneapolis bathroom. Quotes have to be done on site. So the salesman showed up with options and displayed a chart claiming that the average bathroom cost $26,000. They only do showers and baths, and I need someone else for the sink, toilet, cabinet, tile, and floors. But it would only be $23,000 if I sign up today for the shower, half a bathroom. Consumer reports showed me that averages in Minneapolis are between $7,000 and $13,000. Do the math. Number three, how long does it take and how do you maneuver around the process? Well, it's always way longer than you ever imagined. One-day installations never happen, so you need a backup plan. Number four, how do you find a reliable contractor and who do you trust? Well, check reviews, check referrals, ask for a sworn statement, which is a fixed price agreement between you and the contractor. Contractors ask for down payment of 20 to 30%, but never pay it all up front. Number five, what if you hate the rest of your house when it is done? It's happened. You could. Number six, what are the most effective energy efficiency updates? Well, start with an energy audit from Center for Energy and Environment. They can recommend insulation as a first step. They will have a list of contractors, rebates for energy updates, and home improvement loans. Number seven, would it be just easier to find a new energy efficient home that fits your lifestyle today? Very probably. The advantages of remodeling are that you stay in your neighborhood. All your memories are intact, no packing. Changes are at your choice, and it adds to your home's value. New homes deliver all the work done for you. Everything is brand new with warranties and minimal maintenance. So she looks at him and says, I don't want to rake, and he looks back and says, I'm done shoveling. Do get professional opinions. This is Mary Jo. Give me a shout, 612-384-1360. Subscribe below.